Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorials by TS Tech Talk. So guys, I don't know if you noticed my previous video I made about the new Facebook Messenger update that actually allows you to synchronize your Facebook Messenger with your Instagram app. Today guys, I want to show you guys how to go about it and how to make use of your Instagram by linking it with your Facebook Messenger. And then this is actually is not exactly the way the Facebook page linking works. This is actually very different. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right about now. All right, go ahead and open your Facebook page, your Instagram app. Make sure your Instagram is up to date. Now you can notice the information is displaying right here now that says you can now introduce cross app messaging. So you can now message people with Facebook account and they can find and message you too, and use message controls in settings to decide who you want to hear from. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do all of those actually. And if you notice, my messenger is already up to date and my Instagram also is up to date. If your own is not up to date, make sure you have it updated before you go through this. Just come to this area, you're going to notice where it says update. If it's showing update, go ahead and update that. In fact, I'm going to wait for this to complete the update before I show you guys how to do it. And the update is not that much, so now you can notice the update is complete and installing. Let's give it some minute to complete and then we open it. All right, I think it's complete now. You can see it's showing open, not update. So let's go ahead and open that now. Let me close this off. So you can notice when I click on this chat option, you can see my current chat is still active. It hasn't yet synchronized yet. So to synchronize this account, go over to this profile icon just in the bottom area, click on it. That shows my logo. Now when you click on it, it's going to display this option for you. Now click on this menu icon and then go to settings. The setting is right here below. Now scroll down, you can see where it says there is an option for the messenger. Hold on. All right, there you go. This is it on top of this area where it says update messaging. Go ahead and click on that. Now if you click on it, you can notice an option that says update messaging, and there are a lot of things that it says there is a new way to message on Instagram. Now change your chat icon color, react with any emoji, swipe to reply messages, create selfie stickers, and then much more. So go ahead and click on update to update this. Now you notice it's said it has been updated, right? Just go and click back. Let me go over to the home area, and then you can notice the icon has changed from the previous icon to now it has a messenger kind of icon. I'm going to go ahead and click on that and open that. Let me refresh on it, and you can notice it has a search icon right here. It's still similar to the previous one, and you can notice these are all my friends on Messenger. Right now I'm going to search some people that are currently on my Facebook accounts by clicking on search, and I'm going to type a name of my friend on Messenger. I'm going to search. Now you can notice it gave me my search result on top, right? Then when you scroll down, you can see search result also below that says Facebook Messenger, Facebook friends. So you can click on the Facebook friends to start chatting with them, and then you can notice more on Instagram. These are more names that are similar to what I'm looking for, but if what I'm looking for are on Facebook friends, I can go ahead and click on any of them and start sending them message right here. And this is very similar to your Facebook Messenger, and you can still react the same way you do on your Facebook Messenger. So they're very similar, pretty much the same thing, but the difference is now you are using your Messenger chat features on your Facebook or on your Instagram. So it's pretty different and pretty cool, right? So even from there, you can still visit the person's Facebook profile image. Like I just say, you can see an option to click and view profile, Facebook profile, and this is currently Facebook profile image of that person. So it's pretty cool. They are trying to link Instagram together with Facebook. So if this video helped you guys, please do subscribe to the channel and like to see more videos about this. And if you guys have any question, please leave it on a comment below, and I'm going to be making more video that will interest you even more. All right guys, stay home and stay safe. Peace.